Hello friends, in this segment I shall be talking about how to conduct the annual general meeting and the special general meeting, because a lot of people have requested me to speak on this subject. So this segment we shall be looking at how to conduct the annual general meeting. Friends, you are aware that the last date for the statutory auditors to submit their audited accounts to the society is July 31st. The last date by which the society has to hold the annual general meeting is September 30. So in the window between July 31st and September 30, the society management has to decide on a particular date on which the annual general meeting of the society can be held. While doing this, they have to keep in mind the time and plan it in such a way that they can give 14 days advance notice of the meeting to all the members, because it is mandatory to give 14 days notice. Then in the managing committee meeting, they have to adopt the audited accounts and send it for printing along with the other resolutions which they propose and which are put up in the agenda of the annual general meeting, so that they are all ready to be circulated to all the members when the notice of the annual general meeting is put up on the notice boards and circulated house to house. It is good practice to circulate the audited accounts as well as the resolutions to be passed along with the reasoning and the background of the resolution to all the members of the society before well in advance before the notice is circulated, so that the members get adequate time to study, deliberate amongst themselves, and then come to the meeting well prepared to discuss the subjects and take decisions which are in the best interest of the society. Once the meeting date approaches and on the day of the meeting, it is the chairman of the society who presides over the annual general meeting. If the chairman is not able to be present for that meeting for any reasons whatsoever, then the people, the present, elect from amongst themselves a senior member of the society to preside over the meeting. Once the meeting starts, it is a norm that the last year's minutes of the annual general meeting held last year are to be read and to be adopted by all the members. If this is not done, then all decisions taken at the meeting last year become infructuous if the minutes are not adopted by the members. Once the minutes are through, the chairman gives his welcome speech to all the members and requests the secretary to start the deliberations of the meeting. And one by one, the secretary puts across the various resolutions. There is a discussion on each resolution, and then one proposer and one seconder, the resolutions are put for voting and they are adopted or rejected. A simple majority of members present is required to pass any resolution of the annual general meeting. If after taking a resolution, any society wants to change the resolution, then they have to wait for a period of 6 months before a resolution can be changed, amended or rescinded. All the members of a society have equal status. So nobody is indispensable, but everybody is important to the society. So the secretary and the other office bearers have to keep this in mind while they call the members to come forward and put across their views at the annual general meeting. It should be scrupulously observed that all members get equal chance to express themselves, and it shouldn't happen that some members are given opportunity again and again while others are deprived of it. Friends, this is as far as how the annual general meeting is broadly to be conducted. The special general meeting also goes on the same lines. with the only difference being that in an annual general meeting you can have last minute additions to the agenda with the permission of the chair, while in a special general meeting it is held for a specific purpose and there cannot be any additions to the agenda at the last minute, and only the subject which has been put on the agenda should be discussed. We look at other aspects of managing the society affairs in the next segment. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.